Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on privacy functions on the WhatsApp business application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. After that, select account, tap on privacy, and here you should select who you want to share your last seen with, such as everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. That's the same with your profile photo, who can see it, about, groups, and status. You can also share your location. Here you can find the contacts that you have blocked. You can start new chats with disappearing messages set to your timer. Here you can select it. There is the read receipts function, so if you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. And you can also select your screen lock, which requires Touch ID to unlock the WhatsApp business. So you can tap on it in order to turn it on. So turn on this Touch ID function, meaning that you'll need to use Touch ID to unlock the app. Here you should select the such as after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after 1 hour. So as you can see, all of these functions have been updated, so feel free to change them anytime by going back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.